I'm Pete Nash, and thanks for coming to our site. Let's take a minute of time to talk about your home insurance and why you should compare. You know, we live in a real volatile state for property insurance, and that certainly includes home insurance. Coverage and rates change all the time, and double-digit rate increases are certainly not uncommon. To get the best coverage and cost for your home, you really have to stay on top of it. It really boils down to what was a good deal last year may not be such a good deal this year. Let's take a look at the typical situation, see if you can relate to this. Today, majority of home insurance policies are paid by mortgage companies out of consumers' escrow accounts, which means it's included in your monthly house payment. For a lot of people, that means make the monthly payment and everything is okay. And if you're like a lot of people, you typically bought your house insurance when you bought your house, and either got it from the guy who does your car insurance or whoever the mortgage company recommended. At that point, you made the payment, closed on your house, moved in, and continued to make the monthly payment. The problem is the mortgage companies pay your home insurance with your money. Find a better fit for your insurance program, and guess what? They pay less of your money. Imagine finding a good fit for your house, saving a fair amount of money, and actually having your mortgage payment go down. If you have one of those large national companies that you see advertised on TV, you may not be aware, but they have subsidiary companies just for the state of Florida. Most of those companies are greatly reducing exposure in Florida, either by large rate increases or by non-renewals, or both. For 29 years, I represented one of those companies until they made all of their agents independent agents. Now we've got many companies, A-rated companies, that actually target risk, specific type of risk. Why many, you ask? It takes many companies to cover all the risks that we see. If you've only compared with a few companies, chances are pretty good that you've missed out on some discounts or some coverages that are available. The discounts that companies use are to help them get the risk they're looking for. Senior discount. If you're a senior, you'll get a discount. Good credit. Many companies' credit's only a factor of eligibility. Many of our companies will actually give you a rate reduction up to 20% for having good credit. If you live in a gated community, you'll get a discount. If you live in a subdivision that has a single entry, you'll get a discount. There's also wind mitigation discounts that, again, some companies have not been updated to. So I'll urge you to give us a call, get in touch with us to compare. Coverage options are very important also. Did you have hurricane damage in 2004? Many policies contain hurricane deductible of 2%. That's 2% of the insured value. On a $200,000 house, that's $4,000. How would a $500 hurricane deductible sound to you? For many people, 2004, the $4,000 was a hard pill to swallow. You may remember all the blue tarps that you heard about on the roofs. Again, this option is not offered by many companies. We have companies that will offer this for you. If anything, I can urge you to get at your declarations page, compare your coverage, see where your policy stands. I think you'll find that we can offer you some very, very attractive options. Be sure to check us out on Facebook as well, as we continually update our coverage pages, and you can find out what's going on in the state of Florida. We appreciate you coming. Remember, what was a good deal last year may not be such a good deal now.